you will get this in your subscription box. You that's not available on sales on the website yet. It is going to be for a subscription box. You are going to get one of this. So I am going to apply one coat and cure for 60 seconds. This is on the top of number 11 is neon pink, and I did cure it for 60 seconds already. And then this one will be number 34 is Aurora Gel Polish. Come in a subscription box. There are 9 colors total, so a lot of you will get every colors, like one of the colors. And then when I'm waiting for that one dries, I am going to apply this Aurora number 39 as well. Let's see. Let's take a look at what it looks like. It's really, really, really beautiful. It's like it's diamond shimmery, but it's not like too over, like too much glitter. So it's perfect for is coating right on the top or even wet by itself on the top of the any colors background you are going to give it. It doesn't have to be the same matching colors. It can be any colors. All right, because that how when I tell it is how cool it is. So we are going to hey, thank you so much, Dom. All right, so we're going to do some of the next design we're going to do. I am going to using is Blossom Gel. So it's really cool. This is Blossom Gels will be created as like spreading effects. So then it's created this really cool designs for you. And what it does, it was created like instant designs. And then you can able to draw any of the image you want. So then it will spreading it for you. So what do you want to see that like a simple rose in here? Yeah, we should do that. One's with the rose and the other one's with the different random. All right, so let's do one coat. So if you want to spread it really fast, you apply this a little bit, not too thick, a little bit more of the Blossom Gel. But if you want is to be spreading is slower, you're going to apply a thinner coat. Okay, that's this Blossom Gel. Thank you so much, Vera. And I am going, hey Dom, how are you? So I'm going to using the other end of my twin tip brush, and actually I use this is number 25 is Glitz Gel Polish, and I did drop a couple of different colors, which is number 15 is Yellow Sun, and then number 11, which is that colors I just used, is Neon Pink, and then number 6 is Aqua. I just place it right there. So my place is pick up just a smaller, and then I'm going to drop it right in the middle, and you can draw like however like a C, you know, like a letter C shape, and then you can draw it around. You can able to continue on down here, because in the middle I am going to use 3D crystals to create this really cool design crystal placement afterwards for us. You can continue doing the same thing with the rest of them. So if you're happy with this, I am going to cure for 60 seconds. You can flash cure it too. Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. All right, so that's one. Look at the effects of this one. Okay, so we're gonna wait for this one in a second. Let me do another one, which is this one, and we do all the effects first, and then we are going to coming back with the crystal placements. I am going to do little pink, and then I'm going to add just a little bit of white on it. This is number 11, is a neon pink. Okay, and I'm going to pick some white colors, is number 25. Just using this. You can using a dot tool as well to create its effects. All right, so I am going to using the twin tip brush on the other end, and make sure you are, when you're ready to want to create the spreads like a design effect, you're gonna go ahead and apply the blossom gel. Summer up like about a good layer, not too thick because you don't want to be too thick. However, it's not too thin. So this is blossom gel, and then we're gonna pick this one up. And just getting it. And you can just, you know, lay and spread it however you would like. Same thing with this, and it will really is spreading effects for you. And like it to be random like that, you can draw the flowers, or you can do like a random, it's like a sword like that. Great. All right, so I'm flash gear for 30 seconds. You can do pretty much everything. All right, so let me show both of this. Hold on, let me show you this.